A very beautiful video of Yagmur Yuksel have been shared on social media, and also many new pictures of Yagmur Yuksel and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. They were in a big ceremony together and both were wearing so much unique and beautiful dress. Their dressing was also so much elegant. Both were looking so much beautiful and pretty. So Yagmur Yuksel and Baris Baktas were so much happy and delighted. They attended the big ceremony in Istanbul and they were invited as a guest of honor in the big ceremony in Istanbul. So Yagmur Yuksel and Baris Baktas attended the big ceremony in Istanbul and they were looking so much beautiful and pretty.